deer. There's a deer walking on the street here. Oh my god. That's crazy. My journey through Hokkaido has been more than a trip, but also someone drops a rock. It's been a window into a quieter, more intimate face of Japan. From the unexpected night in Tokyo, to the vibrant markets of Hakodate. And now, a 12-hour train ride north. I've been tracing the edges of this island, finding pieces of its heart in every moment. Hakodate felt like a place where time moves just a little slower. The quiet warmth of a bowl of golden salt ramen, the satisfying crunch of shiretoko fried chicken, and the bustling energy of the morning market. It's a city that speaks to you softly but leaves a lasting impression. At night, standing atop Mount Hakodate, I felt like I was looking at the world's edge, where the city meets the sea and the past meets the present. Long train rides like this give you time to think. The rhythm of the train becomes the rhythm of your thoughts. And as I look out the window, watching villages and fields roll by, I can't help but feel connected to the lives of those who call this place home. I've walked through these streets, shopped in their markets, and tasted their food. Being here isn't just about seeing, it's about feeling what it means to live in these moments, if only for a short while. And the food, even on a train, it feels like a gift. Carefully prepared, thoughtfully presented. A simple bento, yet full of the essence of Hokkaido. Sapporo was a city of contrast, modern yet steeped in tradition. The taste of its soft ramen. Let's try it out. The bustling energy of Nijo Fish Market. And the immersive history at the Sapporo Beer Museum. It was a place that felt alive, but unhurried. At the Sapporo Beer Museum, I learned the story behind one of Japan's most iconic beers. Sipping a freshly poured draft in the tasting room, I felt a deep connection to the craftsmanship and history that define Hokkaido's culture. In Sapporo, I saw the everyday life of locals eating at the City Hall cafeteria, riding the subway, or simply enjoying their neighborhoods. It's these glimpses of ordinary life that stay with you the longest. As the train pushes further north, the scenery changes. The air feels crispier, the landscapes more rugged. I'm reminded that this journey isn't just about destinations. It's about the spaces in between, the quiet moments where you find yourself simply present. Travel teaches you patience, humility, and the art of embracing the unknown. It's not always about grand adventures, but about finding beauty in the small, fleeting moments. A bite of grilled chicken, a friendly smile, the view from a train window. And now, here I am, Wakkanai, the northernmost city of Japan, a place I've only dreamed of visiting, now within reach. Alright, this is as well as the Northernmost JR station in Japan. Well, anyway, so I'm here. Well, it's very cold. It's very cold. This is the end of the train line, but just the beginning of a new chapter in my journey through Hokkaido. And as I step into Wakkanai, I carry these moments with me, grateful for the journey and eager for what's next. The hotel is right there. Until next time. So I'm still out, even though it started snowing. Oh my god, that's crazy.